Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia T21 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this tablet. Now for this you will need a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, want to pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have your volume buttons. This little cutout right here is your tray. Find the insert pin, which is part of this cutout. When you push the pin in, the tray comes out ever so slightly. So using your fingernail, you want to just yank it out. And as you can see on the tray, we have space for SIM card and SD card. So I'm gonna place one of each here. There we go. And from there you want to insert it back into the device. Now be careful about these cards just because there's nothing holding them in place, so they could just fall out of the tray if you bump them on something. There we go. Now once you insert the cards, they should start working right away. As you can see, there is our SD card being already detected. There we go. So SD card is already detected and LTE, so SIM card as well. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.